Hi there everyone, this is DJ from GarageFarm.net Academy, coming at you with another episode of CG Insight, fresh news from CGI industry. This time we're taking a look at 3D challenges Fabio Palvelli announced on his YouTube channel. It has become a growing movement in the 3D online community. Awesome artists have been participating, presenting stunning, very creative artworks. So let's take a dive right into it. So Fabio started the whole thing with a simple idea of giving away a car model he created and asking the community to get creative about it. The prize was symbolic, but the response from the community was overwhelming. Quality and volume of the artwork submitted for the first competition was incredible. That's when it turned into a weekly online challenge for artists. Great opportunity to challenge yourself, your skills, and try out different territories of 3D, or just have fun sharing 3D passion with fellow artists worldwide. You can join this as well, for the fun of it, as well as for the prizes. We as GarageFarm.net funded some free credits for rendering on our farm, as well as some credits for high-quality 3D assets from 3db.it store. The latest, already 10th challenge is not a weekly but a 2 weeks challenge, and the topic is Together We Stand, relating to the latest events in America and to the hot topic of racism and police brutality. This time there's no model provided, so you have to get creative and make things from scratch. You can check Fabio's channel for more information. I'll leave a link in the video description below. That's it for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to
like, share and subscribe.
See you all in the next videos. Stay safe and stay creative.